Okay, this is going to be my first video of a project we're just about ready to start. This is a 2001 Dodge 2500 Cummins diesel 4x4, and it's actually came from northern Canada, where there's a lot of salt on the roads, so the corrosion's pretty bad on the fenders. The box is almost shot. Tailgate's missing. This side of the box is pretty messed up. But the truck itself runs really well. I've already done a couple things. I replaced the windshield. I had it replaced. I replaced the grille. Had to pull the radiator out, clean it out, put a new thermostat and hoses on it, just to bring it here to Oregon. And I did a little bit of work inside. So there's a few things that are planned for the truck. One, we're going to pull the box off. That's what I'm going to do today. We're going to replace it with a flatbed, and then I've got both new outer fenders, so those are going to come off. And then I've got new ball joints, new shocks, new front coil springs, a leveling kit. So we're going to get all that stuff on, and I also have a new bottom rocker for that door we're going to put on, and then we'll be painting the doors and fenders black. And so I'll show you guys generally what I'm going to be doing along the way, but it's going to be a pretty straightforward project. There's lots of detailed videos on YouTube if you wanted to see them about exactly how to pull, every little bit and piece off and where every bolt is. But that's the project that we're starting. So hope you guys follow me. Talk to you later.